Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at some attributes of the pyplot. I wanted to throw it out just to get you guys aware, but now we're going to do a little bit advanced. Alright, Matplotlib py chart. Sorry. So okay. Last time, and I'll go ahead and throw this up right here, we had a little bit of stuff like this, and we just did a little pie chart. Now, I did it the quick way, not the best way. I just wanted to get it on the screen. So, a couple videos ago, we learned the best practice of splitting this. So we are going to use that. So plt dot subplots. So okay. Now, the bare bones is the first argument. Then we also threw in labels, and now we're going to do explode, and we're going to do shadow, then autopct, and starting angle. So let's just get to it. Sorry, ax dot py. So we need languages. No, we need %. There we go. Then our labels, right? Yeah, is language. Now here's where the cool stuff happens. So all right, let's just bring this up and show plt.show. All right. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Oops. Let's see. And like I've said before, you're probably bored with it. This is not a spelling channel. So, all right. This is our % breakdown. It has to equal to 100. And here are our labels, the languages. So now let's start doing some cool stuff. So that information is absolutely pointless if we cannot put the %. So auto string. Now this is goofy, so I'm gonna show you. So one.float dot %. This is off the documentation. So okay. So here we are. Now that's 0 decimal. You see I have my decimal. So then let's add a digit after. Now I get my 99.0 and 1.0. So now let's do some cool stuff. So okay. Explode. I screwed up and already had this on here. So we're going to use our explode. And I want you to look right here. So 0. So it's not going to move 99. These have to be according. And we're just going to move this out ever so slightly. So I'll show you and then I'll explain it. So it's going to explode out of the chart. So I move this just a little bit. So you can increase this. Let's really move this out. So 0 is how much movement for the first, this, and second. So they have to correspond. You have to have equal. They zip together. So I'm moving outside of the chart. That's why I used 0.1. Shoot, did that show up on your graph? Okay, you can see it. So, and it's out of the, so that's why I used 0.1. Now, here's something that is, and you just have to mess with it, what works for your graph. Start angle. So, all right, it starts at 0. So here's 0. I will show you. So nothing changes. That's 0. Then 90, 180, 270, and so on around. So let's do 90. 90 around. However you need to, which is going to sell your point, but that's the way it goes. So your auto %, this is your format. Explode is a technique to bring it out for anything you want to really draw to the attention, and then your starting angles if you want to move something around, especially how it is in your design. So, and of course you can do degrees around, it's 360. So, and that is wherever it is defined. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. That was a little bit longer than I was hoping it to be, but I don't know. I just love this stuff. So alright, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, like button, and stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.